Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another emergency radio for you. This one is very unique, and I'm going to tell you why. First thing is, the price is all over the place. You can find this for $35. You can find this for $19.95. You can find it for $14.97. These are just the sellers on Amazon. Then you got the sellers on eBay, and then you got the direct sellers from China, all different prices. I got it from Amazon when it was marked down from a particular seller from $35 to $14.97. So I grabbed it. What you get, you don't get my Star Wars character. You get a belt clip, which is removable. It comes off. It's not on when it comes in the box. You get a short manual, which is, the English is not too good, but it's sufficient. And you get the radio. There's no carrying strap. You get no batteries. You get no earbuds. $14.97. Now, what it tunes is AM, FM, shortwave from 2.3 megahertz to 23 megahertz, pretty broad, and NOAA weather. So let's try it out here. Uses 3 AAA batteries, which it does not come with. The buttons on this side is the lock for the keyboard, the weather SOS alarm enable, sleep timer, band selection, tuning up and down. It has no tuning wheels. Over here is the earbud jack. Up here is the power button, the volume control, and the telescopic antenna, which is extremely short. It's about a foot long. So not very good for shortwave. I did do a couple of band scans on shortwave, and it did receive some of the closer, strong shortwave signals in the United States. So it does receive shortwave. And right now, propagation on shortwave is terrible. A couple of days ago, it was down to 70. Now it's back up to about 75, 78. We want it above 100. So shortwave reception now is just poor. You're going to have to use a clip-on antenna. It does not have an antenna jack. So let's turn it on. One thing I really like about it is the display. I'm sorry for the reflection. It doesn't show up as good on my camera, but it's very bright white against total blackness. Very easy to read, big numbers. It does go off within just a few seconds, so you have to hit a button, get it to come back on. So that's it. There's the FM band playing. And so to tune, you push either the up, down, or either the up or down. And there's 94. Let me extend the antenna again. Good reception. Picks up a lot of stations on AM and FM. Let me turn that volume down. That's music. We don't want to hear music. But the time off for the display is very short. Now you can read it, and I think the camera picks it up a little bit, except it's got a lot of glare on it. You can read it when it's off, but it's a little difficult. And like I say, you push any button. Like you just push that button once and it doesn't change the station. It's got shortwave, 2.3 to 23 megahertz. NOAA weather. Let me turn it up and see if we can pick up a NOAA weather station. There we go.
East winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 2 feet. Bay and inland waters a moderate chop. Thursday, east winds surround.
Sorry for the reflection of my light. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, so I have to have the lights on. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. The sound quality is very good. Does not come with earbuds. It does not come with batteries. So you're going to have to supply both of those. That belt clip clips on the back here. Uses 3 AAA batteries. And like I say, at $14.97, I think it's a pretty good deal, but not at $35. Oh my gosh. Now, the other drawback is this tuning. Normally with a tuning wheel, even with an encoder, digital tuning wheel, you can flip through the bands pretty fast. With this, you can't. Let me go to shortwave again. Okay, I'm on shortwave. So I got to use these 2 buttons. So you can see it's only changing it by 5 kilohertz. So it's really, if you want, like if I wanted to go down to 10 megahertz, it's going to take forever. There's no memory. It does do a band scan. So if you push and hold, I'll push and hold the down. Excuse me, the down. And it will scan looking for a strong signal. Does scan quite slow, as you can see, but it's functional. You wouldn't want to use this for searching, for instance, shortwave band. And I could, it went off, so I get to hit the button just once, and it will continue to scan. It doesn't interrupt the scan. I wish that timeout was a little longer. That's about it. And of course, it's got the NOAA band, and it will do NOAA weather alerts. Does not have a light. Not bad. It's about the size of a playing card deck, except about twice the thickness. I think I like it enough. I'm going to put it in my Amazon store. But watch for the sales. Get it for the $4.97 or, and I've seen it $17.97 and $19.97. $19.97 is about the top you want to pay for this. You really need an emergency radio. $14.97 is the deal. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And have a great day. Bye-bye.